Workforce Connection really goes out and beyond for an applicant that's trying for that job. Hello, my name is Charlie Franco. I am the president and owner of Franco's Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning, based out of Fresno, California. Some of the values that Franco's Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning has, we're locally and family owned. All our services that we do are affordable. You know, we do good service. We would say that a lot of people that come through here do get a lot of experience and knowledge. So Workforce Connection, we met last year, 2025. Did hire a couple candidates from Workforce Connection throughout the year. We did have some complete their full 200 hours from the program. We did currently hire full-time position 2 employees. First young man, his name's Anthony Perez. He came in just very lively, very happy, you know, come in with a smile every day, still does. Little by little, we started training him on different things, plumbing and air conditioning, and man, that guy's awesome. The other person too, her name's Nancy. She's one of my office staff, employee that I got, Nancy Aguilar. She's really good too.
Hi, my name is Nancy Aguilar. I'm an office assistant here at Franco's Plumbing, Heating, and AC.
Working with Workforce Connection, it's a good relationship. There's a couple people on board that we can chat through a text message or actually call and let them know that there's a position available, and then they do their legwork to find the right candidate for that position.
How I started working here at Franco's Plumbing, it was actually through Workforce Connection. I applied for their youth programming and they referred me to Franco's Plumbing because he was looking for an office assistant position. Carmen was my caseworker, and then Inez was my business analyst. Yeah, Carmen helped me a lot in like making sure my resume and everything was perfect.
So with Workforce Connection, when the position is available for a candidate, they bring them fully prepared. I've seen them, they buy shoes for them, they come with backpacks, with tools. So they really go and really get the tools that the applicant needs.
And they were both actually just checking in on me as well after I got hired. They're like, how's it going? Do you need any help? And I always appreciated the support and check-ins.
So here at Franco's, we're really flexible as far as the schedule goes. We do work Monday through Friday. The team does have their weekends off. We do take federal holidays off as well.
I really enjoy working here at Franco's Plumbing. My boss, Charlie, he's super nice and understanding. He's very flexible as well. If there's any reason I need to like stay off work or like adapt into a different environment, he's very flexible with that.
Family comes first, then work comes next. That's how we see it here at Franco's. So relationship moving forward with Workforce Connection, we want to continue having that relationship and continue helping out the young community out there. We do have our doors open when they have the right candidates, and we take them on to give them that training that they need and possibly find them a good job.
I want to give a big thanks to Workforce Connection and everyone who helped me. If it wasn't for you and for like preparing me, teaching me all these things and thinking of me, I wouldn't have had this position. And I have some financial stability for myself and for my family as well.
I would just like to thank Fresno Regional Workforce Development Board for this award. Also, Inez for the nomination. Thank you.